First, sign in to EnableX, open your dashboard, and select your WhatsApp project. Head to Settings, click Manage Templates to open the Template Manager. Give your template a unique name, pick the right category, and select your language. In the body section, write your message and personalize it using variables, like name or order number. Want visuals? Choose media type in the header and upload your image, video, or document. Add buttons for quick replies, URLs, or phone calls. Customize the labels to match your need. When you're done, hit Proceed to submit. You'll get a confirmation and it moves to Pending. Approval usually takes a minute, and once it's approved, you're all set to use it.